invite you to ask your heart, and you can say, heart, how can I best serve you? What way can I best serve you in this now moment? And your heart will respond. Your heart will respond. And if nothing comes to you yet, in which it will, you can simply say, I am here now. And give yourself the gift of being here and now, fully present, as you bathe in the magic of your presence, your powerful presence. The capacity of your receiving is the capacity of your giving. Allow yourself to fill your cup back up so you can continue to give from an overflowing cup, vessel,